me retrouver aujourd'hui au volant de cette diabolique berlinette.
To find myself at the wheel of this diabolical berlinette, for me, it's absolutely extraordinary. Because I've spent thousands of hours at the wheel of this vehicle. I've gone millions of kilometers on tar roads, infernal dirt roads, sand, water, you name it. And when you realize that in the end, the Alpine was based on a production model, simply on the R8 to create a genuine competition car that won the World Championship for make, well, frankly, it's something that even we didn't expect. An Alpine doesn't hold to a straight line, but on the curves, it's more than a pleasure, it's a joy. It's hard to see how you can put it wrong in such an acrobatic car, a faithful car, a car that never betrays its driver.
C'est une voiture fidèle, c'est une voiture qui jamais ne trompe son pilote.
I see you've kept a few photographs as souvenirs.
Oui, des photos du tout début où Alpine était encore.
Yes, pictures of Alpine's very beginning when it was still made in an old factory but attached to the Renault concession.
Un petit peu chantier parce que quand on voit toutes ces voitures,
then they moved to Avenue Bréauté.
Il y avait du boulot, mais enfin.
It was really a sort of workshop where you'd see all sorts of cars.
La partie,
and the mechanics had their hands full.
Il y avait les caisses qui arrivaient directement de la régie.
This is, let's say, the stock room. Bodies would come in directly from Renault. They were open so that parts could be accessible.
Là, on voit les trains arrière complets avec les
motorisations. Here you see complete rear assemblies with engines all mounted, waiting to be placed into new bodies.
C'est pas la chaîne.
It wasn't an assembly line, and it wasn't easy.
Ça, c'est les premiers pionniers.
These are the pioneers of Alpine, of the competition.
Gilbert Arrivel, puis tout un tas, Jean-Paul Castilleux.
First Gilbert Arrivel, then lots of them, Jean-Paul Castilleux, Titi Bizou Coco, all the first mechanics. The workhorses. It wasn't 35 hours a week, it was 35 hours a day.
Ah, ben là, c'est François.
That's François Lermoyer.
Avec ma voiture.
With my car. At the first San Remo in 70. That one I won. My first victory, and let's say for Alpine in the European Championship Rally. This one's the same before Le Mans. There were mainly racing drivers. I was with Jean-Pierre Nicolas, and we were the only rally drivers taking part in the Le Mans 24 hours. Those are all the drivers.
Mais ça, ce sont tous les pilotes avec Monsieur Redelais. Alors forcément,
Mr. Redelais is there.
On voit que deux pilotes de
There are only two rally drivers, Jean-Pierre and me.
Ce sont des
all the rest are racing drivers.
C'était quand même toute l'équipe, mais
the whole
nous,
team.
en tant que rallyman,
we didn't look too happy, but that didn't prevent Jean-Pierre from winning best performance, and my winning the Economy Award. The important thing was showing that rally drivers could handle everything in the race.
Les rallyman pouvaient se débrouiller. Ah, ça, c'est malheureusement.
Unfortunately, that's a bad memory.
C'est Jacques Chénis,
just after his accident at Le Mans.
On le voit encore avec son bandeau.
You see him still wearing his headband.
Ça est très bien sorti.
But he came out of it okay.
Ça, c'est Monsieur Gordini.
That's Amédée Gordini with Mr. Redelais at the Le Mans 24 hours because Amédée was with us all the time.
Présent. Alors ça, c'est un coup de commerce.
That was a sales strategy. The gendarmerie driving berlinettes. Most of these vehicles were around Chalon, on the north-south main highway, checking speeds.
Pour nous surveiller, pour voir si on n'allait pas trop vite. Et si on allait trop vite.
And if you were speeding, they'd catch you because they had racing engines and the cars went very fast.
Les moteurs de course et ces voitures allaient très vite. Comme j'avais toujours rêvé de berlinette à cette époque-là,
Since back then, I'd always been dreaming of a berlinette.
Les tarifs et tout, et toute la doc pour voir.
I went to a dealer and priced them, picking up all the sales brochures to form a precise opinion.
Avec 4 vitesses, attention, on passe.
There was the 4-speed 1100 series, not 5-speed, priced all the same at 16,960 francs. The GT4 Coupe, the Berlinette Tour de France,
les options,
all the models and options,
ceinture de sécurité partielle,
seat belts all around, really nice.
C'est sympa. Il y avait aussi des cabriolets.
There were also convertibles, which were absolutely fabulous. If anybody's got one now, he'd be well advised to hold on to it. It's a very beautiful car.
Et les petites étoiles sur les jantes.
The little stars on the hubcaps are cool.
C'était quand même assez amusant.
It's really a beautiful car.
Et elle était déjà très belle.
Sur le plan technique, la compétition est une école extrêmement sévère et elle nous oblige à des progrès constants. Et nous devons transposer tout ce que nous faisons sur les voitures de compétition à court ou moyen terme sur les voitures de production. Et il n'est absolument pas question de changer sur ce plan d'un critique.
Les départs seront donnés dans l'ordre croissant des numéros, la voiture ayant le plus petit numéro partant la première, avec un intervalle d'1 minute entre chaque voiture.
L'Alpine a été pensée en utilisant des mécaniques Renault de grande série.
Lors d'arriver à un contrôle, les concurrents seront pénalisés à raison de 30 secondes par minute pour le parcours de concentration, 60 secondes par minute pour le parcours. À la fin de chacune des 3 épreuves, les voitures seront soumises à un contrôle technique rigoureux.
Utilisant des mécaniques Renault, on était obligé bien sûr de concevoir des voitures en réalisant un châssis et une carrosserie particulièrement légère, et résistante et fine au point de vue aérodynamique.
Voulez-vous mettre le moteur en marche, s'il vous plaît? On allait découvrir ses qualités de résistance et la robustesse d'organes essentiels dont 90% sont dérivés des produits. Total de kilomètres à parcourir, environ 5600 en 5 nuits et 3 jours, soit un temps moyen au volant de quelques 85. Performance, qualité. Pour un grand pays exportateur, ces victoires jouent un rôle considérable. Tout est prêt? Allons-y. L'automobile est une retombée naturelle de l'activité industrielle. Elle est génératrice d'expérience et de maîtrise croissante. C'est la santé d'une industrie. N'est déjà plus qu'un souvenir. Mais quel souvenir! Le champagne s'est évaporé sur les lignes d'arrivée, mais la preuve est faite. Le secret du succès, s'il en est un, la confiance tout simplement dans des produits de qualité. De l'amour propre en somme. Car derrière les exploits et les faces d'un championnat du monde, ce sont des milliers d'hommes qui s'identifient à de pareilles victoires. Mécaniciens, ouvriers, ingénieurs, techniciens.
Alors Jean-Luc,
Well, Jean-Luc,
le marathon de la
the Road Marathon
ça,
71
c'est
must be a
déjà
terrific memory for you.
un très très beau souvenir.
Ah ben, c'est doublement un souvenir parce que
Well, yes, it's a doubly good
la
memory
première place et en plus
because we finished in first place
monté qu'avec toute une bande
and we
d'amis,
organized
de
a team
copains,
of friends.
avec comme pilote mon principal ami Maurice
and
Nussbaumer.
as driver, my best friend Maurice Nussbaumer, along with
96 heures pour nous,
Jacques Henry,
c'était vraiment un
me.
challenge extraordinaire. Et
Racing for
puis,
96 hours was for us an extraordinary challenge. We said, why not try it? We weren't risking anything, and it could be
nos femmes
fun.
sont venues avec des voitures, avec des copains.
Our
des
wives came
caravanes. On
along
a fait vraiment,
with cars and friends.
un truc tout à fait sympa.
It was like a caravan, really a great time. It was on the big Nürburgring, 24
C'est
kilometers.
vrai que
We were the only
on était
French
les seuls
team
Français d'une part et on
and
était
the only one driving an
seuls avec
Alpine.
une Alpine. On était partis nous
We set off
avec un
in
moral
great
de
confidence.
fer, mais enfin quand même c'était pas du
But
tout
we couldn't be
évident,
too sure.
parce que la concurrence était dure.
The competition
En plus,
was tough.
Porsche avait quand même
In addition,
trois
Porsche
voitures
entered
officielles,
3 cars, with
avec,
Elford driving the
Ford,
first, Larousse in the
sur l'autre,
second,
Larousse
and
sur
Chichendance
la
in the
troisième,
third.
Chichendance. Là, c'est Bizou.
This is Bizou, who was so tired he puts the wheel on backward. Good old Bizou, a great mechanic.
C'était un mécano, mais bon, là, ça
But after 85 hours of racing, he was a little tired.
Là, c'est Jacques Henry,
That's Jacques Henry,
qui va
who
prendre
takes
le relais
over
parce
from
que c'est
Jacques.
Qui finit. Faut avouer quand même que
All the same, 96
c'est
hours
difficile de
is
commencer
strenuous
à
for only 3
et on voit qu'on
drivers.
commence à avoir un peu les traits tirés.
We were starting to show
En
signs
fin
of
de compte,
fatigue.
on a gagné devant les Porsche.
But finally, we
Là,
won
c'est-
in front of the
c'est
Porsche.
arrivé.
That's the finish
Il y
line.
avait une, voilà, la Porsche.
When we
je
saw
l'avais
that
fait
Porsche had
exprès,
blown its
quand on a
engine,
vu
I
cette
said
Porsche
to
avec
Jacques
le moteur,
deliberately,
j'ai dit à Jacques, surtout tu t'arranges
it's
pour finir à
important
côté
that you
pour
finish
savoir que nous,
beside
notre Alpine,
him
elle est toute fraîche,
to show that our
et que la
Alpine is
Porsche,
fresh
elle
and the
finit,
Porsche ends up in a
dans un
cloud of
nuage de
smoke.
fumée. Et je trouve que bon, c'était
And that
sympa,
was
et en plus, ça
really
marquait un
great,
peu
and
les
it irked the
chez eux.
Germans at
Sur le
home, of
podium,
course.
avec Maurice Nussbaumer au milieu,
At
Jacques
the
Henry
podium with Maurice
à sa droite,
Nussbaumer in the center, Jacques Henry to his right, and me on the left, with charming German girls, but that's a different matter. And besides, our wives were with us.
Alors là, justement, on voit la berlinette.
Right there,
sur
the
la
berlinette
neige.
is in
Comment
snow.
se
Now, how did the
comportait
car
cette
handle?
voiture?
En toute honnêteté, sur la neige,
Quite
je pense
honestly,
qu'il
on
était
snow, I don't
difficilement
think you could
battable
beat
parce
it,
que c'est une voiture,
because it was a
très
very
fidèle,
responsive car,
terriblement
terribly agile.
Le seul problème d'une berlinette,
The only
qu'on
problem a
avait,
driver
c'est le
had
coup
was
du virage, quand on arrive
oversteering
dans un
in
virage,
curves.
Où il y a une partie glissante.
When you enter a
Vous pouvez
curve with a
tendance à
controlled
laisser
skid,
droit,
the
c'est
car has a
Alors,
tendency
il faut
to go
toujours
straight. That is,
anticiper
it
en la balançant un petit
understeers.
peu
So
pour
you always have to
faire
anticipate by
tourner. Et à
balancing
partir
the
du moment où
car a
elle a
little
commencé
to make it
à
turn.
glisser très légèrement, après c'est un jouet, c'est un
Then,
régal, on en fait
the
ça.
instant it starts,
Moi,
the
j'aurais fait
skid,
des
it's a
millions de
toy, it's a
kilomètres comme ça,
pleasure.
parce que
You can do whatever you
on prend
like.
plaisir à rouler avec ces autos.
I drove millions of kilometers that way because everybody enjoyed driving this car in snow. It was a real joy. Notice the little push, because if you don't do that afterward, you go into the curve straight and then she won't
On va
turn.
dans le virage tout droit et là, elle veut pas virer. Là, on s'amuse d'ailleurs.
We had a good
Les
time.
joujoux à se suivre.
We played follow the leader,
On fait des ballets avec
did berlinette ballets because we had mastered the car so
on les
completely.
maîtrisait tellement bien.
With its
avec,
ease in
leur
driving,
facilité de conduite.
we had a lot of fun.
On s'amusait à.
We closed off
à suivre,
minor roads
on se barrait des petits bouts de route et puis
and we played at
on
skidding,
s'amusait à glisser. On était
Constant
tout le temps au glisse.
skids.
C'était
a
la
real
fête.
pleasure to drive.
Ça c'est fabuleux, c'est la
That was
Suède.
fabulous.
Ce sont
It's
des-
Sweden.
Des essais en Suède sur un lac gelé.
We did test driving on frozen lakes there
Comme en général il fait moins 30,
because
moins 40,
average
sur
temperatures are
Malmö,
from minus 30 to minus
il y a
40
40 centimètres de
Celsius.
glace.
On Malmö, Karlstad,
C'est comme si on faisait
40 centimeters of ice with a coating of
spécial, on
snow.
connaît pas. On nous a dégagés et puis on roule,
We'd
on est
set
sur une
off
glace
and drive on
sur
this
le-
living ice
Là,
like
c'est
a
sur,
river, really
sur une rivière.
extraordinary.
Alors c'est complètement.
At first, we were a little
c'est
intimidated by
complètement
the
extraordinaire.
Scandinavians.
Mais au début, justement, on faisait un petit complexe vis-à-vis des
But
Scandinaves.
then we proved that any of the Alpine
Tout le monde a
drivers
prouvé que ce soit
could match them in speed.
n'importe quel pilote de chez Alpine, quand
There
même,
was
aussi,
no
il
need
fallait
to
pas
be
du tout être
intimidated.
complexé, parce que c'était des Scandinaves.
Alors, ce fameux
Now
Monte
that
Carlo
famous Monte
71,
Carlo of 71.
C'est un Monte Carlo important car
It's an
tu as été
important
en
one
tête,
for you because you were in the lead after the
après la
special at
spéciale de
Saint-Jean-de-Royan.
Oui, puis après, bon, il y a eu des problèmes.
Yes,
de
and don't
parce que,
forget,
bon, Monte
there
Carlo,
were,
c'était un
tire
club,
studs to
Monte Carlo
consider.
Aujourd'hui, il était très long.
It wasn't like the Monte Carlo is today because it was very long and we had problems with studding the tires for snow.
La dernière nuit,
We left on that last night, Ove Anderson in front in a berlinette, naturally. I was in second at 42 seconds, and I figured that Jacques Chénis would say, okay, just hold on,
C'était super, c'est deux
because
voitures
that
en
was
tête.
already a good result, having two cars in front, especially since in third Jean-Claude Androuet had made it.
sportif comme il est. Et puis
But Jacques was a real sportsman. He liked a good fight. He said, guys, it's your choice. Do whatever you want.
Une bourre sans nom.
So off we went, and we fought a real race. After those 8 trials, where we fought like bulls, we were still at our original positions.
On a vraiment, et sans sortir
We drove well, but didn't move the cars ahead. For Alpine, it was a great success. With Anderson, we drove a fantastic race.
Quelque chose d'extraordinaire.
Alors le Turini.
So the Turini is unique, the mythical special.
Une spéciale mythique, mais en plus,
But in addition, you'd come out into a veritable tunnel of light with hysterical fans along both
de
sides.
spectateurs un petit peu hystériques.
C'est la bagarre, et puis
A real fight.
les gendarmes parfois veulent
Sometimes
intervenir, mais alors,
gendarmes
c'est
tried to
extraordinaire, parce que si un
intervene,
gendarme intervient,
but then it was extraordinary because if they did, the French and Italians joined forces against them, and there was no more rivalry.
C'était une berlinette qui est sortie.
Here's a berlinette coming out.
Ça sous-virait là.
Understeering.
Obligatoirement, on était en phare jaune. Et
We
les
had to
autres
drive with
étaient tous en
orange
phare
lights.
blanc. Quand
The others had
berlinettes
white.
arrivaient, on voyait les phares
When
jaunes.
berlinettes appeared, we saw orange lights. We knew it was the
Les
Alpines.
Italiens se pétaient dans toutes les épingles.
There, the
50, 60
Italians,
étaient
they were waiting at
flashés.
hairpin curves with electronic flashes, and they'd keep flashing until we were
Et
blinded.
on était obligés de
We
faire
had to
le
run the Turini wearing sunglasses.
Ça paraît fou.
It seems crazy,
vrai que
but we ran the Turini pass 3 times, twice in one direction, once in the other.
C'était quand même.
That was really something.
Non, c'est difficilement
You know, it's not the same thing now.
réalisable.
But I
mais
still have
c'est
a
dommage
festive
parce que
memory
c'était
of
vraiment
it.
la fête. Ça, c'est sur un stadium.
That's in a
c'est absolument
stadium,
extraordinaire.
absolutely
C'est
extraordinary.
sur un anneau sur glace.
On
François
sheet
Lermoyer,
ice with
responsable
François
des mécanos.
Lermoyer, chief
Et
mechanic,
c'était une course
with
poursuite. Il y a 4
Bizou.
voitures là-dedans. C'était.
And it was a racetrack
Et
with
il faut
4
pas oublier,
cars.
73, c'est la seule année où la Suède. s'est
Remember,
fait champion.
73 was the only year where
Alors,
Sweden raced without tire
Et,
studs, so
super,
driving on fresh
dans
snow
cette
over
neige,
sheet
sur la
ice,
glace vive, c'était une année
it was a
difficile.
difficult year.
Jacques m'a dit, bon, ben, toi,
Jacques
ton
told me,
cadeau de
your wedding
mariage,
present is an
c'est
Alpine, so there I was in Sweden just at the
Juste au
start. The
départ,
car had
la
been
voiture a
checked,
été vérifiée,
I left
je
with
suis parti
Jean-Pierre
avec
Nicolas'
Nicolas.
notes and
Et mon
my
cadeau,
present.
ça a été une berlinette.
A berlinette
Suède,
to
où
do
nous
Sweden,
attendons.
where I was lucky enough to
Terminé
finish
troisième.
third
Donc,
and gain points
plus
for
de
the World
partie du mois pour le
Championship.
championnat du monde. Ça, c'est
That's
l'Autriche.
the Austrian Alpine Rally that Bernard won.
Alors la concurrence à l'époque commençait
So
à
competition back then really had
s'amuser,
teeth,
différence de
and the
puissance
power
quand
difference
même
between the Porsche and the berlinette
considérable,
was
une Porsche à
considerable.
l'époque et une berlinette.
Oui, mais c'est pas grave.
Yes, but it didn't matter.
On avait.
We
on avait quand
still
même
had
un
the
meilleur
best
auto.
car.
Donc on était toujours devant.
We were
puisque
always in the
Bernard
lead
Arnault
because
faisait
Bernard
le
Darniche won the
qualifiant
Austrian Alpine Rally
en
and the
Amérique
ones
d'autres,
following.
En championnat du monde. Mais
We won others in the
on voit,
World Championship.
On voit la maniabilité de la berlinette.
You can see how well the
Comment
berlinette
Bernard,
handled when you watch how
attaque dans les
Bernard
enchaînements,
took the
la serrée,
succession of
bon,
tight
ça,
curves.
Ça, c'est l'Alpine. Hein.
That's the Alpine.
Et on les mettait souples en suspension. On a bien vu la
We had
accélération
soft
qu'elle-
suspension with
elle levait
a
l'avant.
fast
On faisait
takeoff
ça pour qu'elle
acceleration.
travaille plus en-
The
en
front end
battement
actually
suspension.
rose up.
Mais c'est vrai que, bon, malgré le manque de puissance, la puissance était
It's
compensée
true
par
that
l'agilité de la voiture.
the lack of power
On
was
s'aperçoit qu'en fin de compte,
compensated
cette
by the
voiture,
agility of the
elle est
car.
tout juste dépassée. Hein.
Now it's a
Elle
little
l'est un petit peu,
outmoded.
mais il suffirait de la réactualiser avec les freins d'aujourd'hui
But
seulement.
by installing modern
Et
brakes and
la
tires,
voiture, pour moi, bon, elle est pas en
for me, even if it's not a four-wheel drive, it would still be competitive,
on serait encore, moi je suis sûr qu'on serait pas totalement dépassé.
especially
on
for
serait
long
encore
rallies.
faire des épreuves de longue haleine.
Comment vous avez fêté le titre
How did you celebrate being world
de-
champion?
Ah, ça a été
Champion
très
du
dur.
monde.
Ça a été très dur.
It was very hard.
Puisqu'il y avait encore le RAC.
There
à
was
faire.
still the RAC to run,
Alpine était sûr d'être champion du
but
monde.
we were confident,
On a
sure
fait
that Alpine
une fête
would be
d'enfer
world
avec les
champion.
mécaniciens.
We had a
Et
terrific
c'est vrai que,
celebration.
bon, ben, c'était l'ambiance parce que
It was
il y
a
avait pas
wonderful
plus de pilotes que de
atmosphere
mécanos, de
because the
Monsieur
mechanics,
Redélé,
as well as the
Jacques
drivers and
On était tous
Mr.
potes.
Redélé and
C'était-
Jacques Chénis,
C'était les copains qui
we
avaient.
were all considered equal, a bunch of pals who had won.
Là, c'est le rêve, là. C'est ma
This
vraie
is the
auto
dream.
de Monte-Carlo 73.
The actual car I
avec
drove in the
laquelle,
73 Monte Carlo.
J'ai fait 5e malgré des gros problèmes
Coming in
d'alternateur.
5th, despite big problems with the alternator that caused us road penalties.
On était dans les 3 premiers sans problème.
Otherwise, we'd have been in the first 3 for
Ensuite,
sure.
J'ai fait l'Acropole avec.
Then I ran the
en 73,
Acropolis
Et cette fois-ci,
in 73 and
on a
finished
terminé
first.
premier. Donc, un championnat
So
du monde
we won a world championship with this diabolical
diabolique
berlinette that really was more than an exceptional
qui
car.
était vraiment une voiture plus qu'exceptionnelle. C'était à l'époque un 1796.
At the time, it was a 1796 cubic centimeter modified by Mr.
Et en
Mignotti.
puissance, on développait
It developed around 170 horsepower.
C'était une boîte Monte-Carlo.
It's a Monte Carlo gearbox with large reinforced pinions. As for weight, for the Monte Carlo, given that we didn't have big steel plating, we were about 750 kilograms. Generally, everything in plastic was lightened.
C'est pas comme la voiture client, puisqu'on la faisait à l'unité. Alors le réservoir d'essence, c'était des réservoirs
The gas tank, specifically 80 liters in the back,
d'origine, la berlinette
because at first the berlinette had a small tank in front, but considering the overall length of our specials and the reinforcement points that were fairly spaced out, we modified the rear by installing a large tank with a big airplane-type opening for filling quickly, and it had a perfect seal.
Avec ta bagnole là, à Barégine.
Ouais, vous pouvez partir.
Pour le moteur, pour faciliter le travail des mécaniciens.
To facilitate working on the
Il
engine,
est certain qu'une berlinette, ça veut dire ce que ça veut dire, c'est une petite voiture.
the berlinette was a small car, and we wanted 2 mechanics to work on it at the same time, one under the hood and the other inside. For that, we'd choose a very small mechanic. Anyway, we installed a trap door so that there was access from inside the car. It was easier to work on the engine that way. We regularly drove on Michelin tires, 13 inches and wider, depending on anticipated driving conditions.
En fonction de l'épreuve, il est certain qu'à Monte-Carlo,
It's certain that a Monte Carlo on asphalt required maximum width,
et puis quand on arrivait dans la neige,
and then in the snow we went to a minimum width.
et quant à l'Acropole,
In the Acropolis, we put on 13 inches.
toujours des 13 pouces, mais en pneu terre, en largeur.
It was a mixed
entre
width
la
of
cinq
tire,
et puis
depending on what the
le neige.
conditions were.
Vous expliquer un petit peu les détails.
I'll give you an idea of
perfectionnistes
how
de
our
nos
mechanics
mécaniciens
spoiled us
qui
with their
cherchaient à
attention to
nous gâter et
detail
à
and
nous
perfection.
bichonner. Alors on avait le droit à notre petite mousse.
We were allowed
Que
a
notre
sheet
jambe
of plastic
droite
foam
frotte trop sur
to
la
cushion
boîte
our legs
centrale.
from rubbing against the central
Il y
compartment.
a, ça c'est mécanique, c'est le verrouillage. de
Mechanically,
vitesse
this
pour
blocks
éviter
the
d'en
gear
faisant
shift
troisième,
lever from
deuxième,
accidentally
et
going into
première.
reverse when shifting from third to second.
À côté, vous avez la boîte à
Next
gants
to
de
it is the
coéquipier
glove
qui-
compartment,
dans laquelle il mettait,
where the
ses
co-driver
cartes de
keeps
l'étape
his
et en même
maps
temps,
and notes and
son
logbook.
carnet de bord.
If you lose
C'est ça,
your
le
logbook,
poster de carnet de bord.
you're automatically
C'est
disqualified.
l'exclusion. À côté, il y a une petite séparation.
Then
pour
there's
les
a
deux
small
côtés.
separator for the
Ça
co-driver's
commence par
left foot,
l'accélérateur,
blocking
parce
off
que
the
si
accelerator,
le
because
coéquipier,
if he happens to
l'un
press
contre
down on that pedal,
le pied
it
qui
could
passait,
cause some
de
surprises.
notre, vers le pédalier, il risquait d'accélérer. Alors, ça peut être surprenant. Après, il y a la poignée en bas de porte.
Then the handle placed at the bottom of the door so the co-driver could close the door securely with no danger of damaging the handle.
Abîmer ou de les casser. Ensuite, il y a le tripmaster.
There was the tripmaster, the chronometer, and a small wooden plaque painted black to prevent reflections from the tripmaster at night.
Il y a aussi
There was also, in back,
la boîte d'origine
the
en bois,
original
dans
wooden
laquelle
box
on
where we
mettait
stored
le
our
casque.
helmets,
C'est-à-dire que le pilote
right for
mettait
the
son casque
driver,
dans la boîte de
left for
droite
the
et le coéquipier
co-driver.
dans la boîte de gauche à la fin de la spéciale. Donc, ce sont des petits détails. très
These were very
importants pour nous,
important
car,
details for us because, remember, championship rallies lasted 3 days and 3 nights in my time. We needed all the comfort we could get.
Voilà. Alors une petite anecdote bien
A nice little
une
anecdote.
précaution parce que quand on fait des rallyes
When we do the long World
des rallyes,
Championship
quand même,
du
du championnat du monde, Il est bien évident qu'après la première
Of course, after 2 or 3 stages, we'd be covered in dust.
on a transpiré dans les
We'd
combinaisons.
sweat through our driving suits.
On va vite à l'hôtel.
So, quickly, we'd head for a hotel where we'd sleep for an hour or
On va
two.
prendre sa douche vite fait.
We'd strip and take a quick shower, put everything into a suitcase, and give it to a mechanic.
Surprise.
We'd return to the locked area and surprise, no key. It was in a pocket of the driving suit. So the Alpine team would put an extra key under a headlight.
Donc, aucun problème.
No problem.
Il suffisait de
Remove
défaire
the plastic.
et on
There was the
récupérait la
key.
clé. Et comme ça,
No trouble at all.
Jean-Luc, pourquoi
why did you want Jacques Chénis here with you?
Enfin, ça me paraît tout évident.
Well, I think it's obvious.
En fin de compte, c'est lui qui
After all, he is the one who let me drive a
Il a
berlinette.
toujours fait confiance.
He always had confidence in me.
Après, bon, sur le plan général,
Generally speaking, I first recognized what he had done as a
Et en
driver,
plus, je connaissais ses qualités.
and I know his exceptional talents as director of Alpine Racing,
Cette équipe alpine, et
which are
puis,
considerable,
aussi, ce qui est loin
and
d'être
his
négligeable, ses qualités
qualities
humaines.
as a human
Et puis,
being.
aujourd'hui, je trouve que c'est Jacques, on ne l'appelait pas dans l'équipe.
In the
Papa pour rien,
team,
parce que
we
c'est
didn't
un
call
peu
him
mon père
Papa for
spirituel.
nothing. He is our spiritual father. He says, can I answer that?
Si Jean-Luc n'avait pas...
If Jean-Luc hadn't already proven his ability at the wheel of an R8 Gordini, I probably wouldn't have been interested in him.
Je ne me serais peut-être pas intéressé à lui. Déjà, toute l'équipe alpine derrière, je parle des mécaniciens.
The whole Alpine team was already behind him. The mechanic said, Terrier, take a look at what he's doing in local rallies.
Jean-Luc et...
Oh yes, I took an interest in Jean-Luc, and we started by putting him in the Group 1 team with smaller engines.
En groupe 1, il nous posait beaucoup de problèmes parce que...
He caused us a lot of problems because in special competitions he'd always blow tires. The car would skid so much, but not spinning around.
En dérapage, pas en tête à queue. Sur la route, il avait du mal à faire...
On the road, he wouldn't do more than 30 kilometers on one set of tires, if you see what I mean. He'd go very fast. The proof, in R8 Gordinis you ran how in Monte Carlo? In 69 fifth, all cars considered. Well, there you are, and with a factory model costing 12,000 francs.
Y compris entre les
I'd say it was a
équipes
pretty
qui
friendly
étaient,
atmosphere, even between competitors.
Ah oui, oui, à cette époque-là, oui, mais c'était...
Yes, in those days we were all
C'était une
pals.
bande de copains. On était en course, donc on se battait pour
We'd fight
gagner.
to win
On
races
était contre les copains
against
qui avaient des voitures
competitors
différentes.
with different
Mais,
cars.
si celui qui nous précédait,
But if the car in front unfortunately went off the
on
road,
s'arrêtait pour voir s'il était pas
we would
blessé
stop
et
to see if
pour
the
voir
driver
si-
was hurt,
si on pouvait pas
to see
lui
if we could
apporter
help.
secours. Chose qui était bon, tout à fait logique parce que
Seemed to us only natural,
on est
because
humain
we are
avant tout,
human
et
beings
la
above
compétition,
all.
là, doit prendre un
And
peu de
competition
recul,
had to
on
take a
doit
back
s'assurer
seat.
que tout se passe bien sur le plan physique pour la personne qui est sortie.
We'd make
mais
sure that anybody in an
je
accident
remets
was
toujours sur
okay.
ça parce que,
Unfortunately, that's not always the case on the circuit now.
on a gagné une place
Some
parce que
say they won because another one left the
Nous,
track,
c'était quand même
but we were
pas-
much
c'était quand
more
même pas ça.
human back then.
Heureusement.
Moi, j'ai l'impression que cette équipe alpine.
It seems that the Alpine
non,
team
j'en
wasn't
vois la
exactly
mélancolie.
sad.
Et
Still, I've heard
j'ai
that
cru comprendre
during
que,
certain periods of checking the route
lors de reconnaissance
back at the
des
hotel,
hôtels,
there might have been some bad feeling because of certain pratical jokes.
Dégradation due à des plaisanteries, non
Je m'excuse, Jacques, moi, c'était pas du tout de la dégradation.
Oh, it wasn't bad feeling. No, they were
petits coups de jeunesse, des petits coups
youthful pranks.
d'amusement, mais
But it was always friendly. It wasn't because we removed all the windows from the room of a Swede when the temperature was way below freezing, so that when he came back he had a pretty cold room. That wasn't bad feeling. We didn't damage the windows, we only removed them.
Alors voici des images de l'usine de Bréauté.
These are pictures of the Bréauté factory
à Dieppe.
in Dieppe in 1972.
Cette usine doit vous rappeler quand même.
That factory must bring back many memories.
C'était un pari fou de Jean Rédélé d'avoir.
First, it was a mad gamble for Jean Rédélé to invest vast sums in this factory.
Dans l'ancienne concession
You have to compare it to where we come from, the old Renault concession on the Rue Pasteur in Dieppe.
Fabuleuse.
Here we had a fabulous factory to work in. And if Jean hadn't risked his money, we'd never have had the necessary means to live this great adventure. So, it really was truly a beautiful factory where they also produced Alpines in series, 5 or 6 per day. We had the best section of the factory with the best light.
Et puis surtout, dans l'unité de cette usine, c'était un peu le paradis, c'était une émulation.
With this unit in that factory, it was like paradise. There was a competitive spirit for the whole operational team. Promotions for all operators to the category racing. Everybody was especially motivated by racing.
Des gens particulièrement motivés avec nous.
I see the manufacturing process remained essentially craftsmanship.
Artisanal.
Complètement.
Oh, entirely.
Ça nous permettait de
It meant that we could really tailor-make our cars, especially checking the weight.
De surveiller le poids, la compétitivité.
The competitive advantage of the Berlinette,
c'était d'abord son poids.
that was above all its lightweight.
Les autos avec lesquels on
It should be said that the cars with which we won Monte Carlo weighed between 700 and 750 kilograms, sometimes even less. And we didn't use 6-cylinder engines like the Porsche 2.4-liter or the 2.7-liter. We had a standard 4-cylinder block, first used in the R8 Gordini and then the Renault 16 at 1600 cc. Our power was limited. We needed a very light car. And we tend increasingly to forget that in a car, it's the light weight that is helpful from all points of view. The car is more maneuverable, it brakes more easily, and it's no less sturdy. We didn't overlook the chassis, of course. On the contrary, the chassis was reinforced. But on the body frames of production cars, for example, 3 crisscrossed layers of fiberglass fabric. But on the competition Berlinettes, there were only 2 layers to lighten the car considerably. The Berlinette had another impressive feature. If a driver ran off the road, he was usually unhurt because of the roll bar which had been designed and attached to the body itself. It was exceptionally rigid. The Berlinette was as solid as many of the much heavier cars that only seemed safer. It's less well known that in addition to driving, you also developed an expertise in testing competition cars. Yes, Jacques asked me if I wanted to test all the cars before they went into competitions, since in general we all went out to check the routes. With François Lermoyer, Gilbert Arrivel, and Jean-Paul Castilleux, we'd close off a road near Dieppe, with permission of the authorities, of course. And then we would do regular hill climbs up the 3-kilometer hill with each car to find out if the engines mounted in the cars were performing well. It's true I enjoyed it a lot, and it's true that sometimes I'd rather be at the factory than out checking the route.
la berlinette, en fait, était développée entre les pilotes.
In fact, the berlinette was really developed by the drivers carrying out tests in the Dieppe region, as well as the technicians and the mechanics learning on the job. A development was, as the Japanese say, kaizen, which means improving every day.
Tous les jours.
Alors nous arrivons
Now we come to a glorious page for the Alpine.
mémorable de l'histoire
Tour de
des berlinettes,
France,
c'est le Tour de France
1972.
72.
Comme tout le monde le sait, M. Dudot est quand
As
même
everyone knows, Monsieur Dudot had come from Alpine and, for the fun of it, created a 1600 injection engine, and it ran extremely well.
super bien. Et il avait proposé de
He suggested putting it in a berlinette for the Tour de France.
Quant à Jean-Pierre et
As for Jean-Pierre Nicolas and later Bernard Darniche, they were in 1800s. I agreed to drive the 1600, and it's true that this berlinette was especially efficient. The engine had low torque, it could stand high RPMs, a fantastic, diabolical berlinette. I'd said to Jacques, because it was Saturday in the Bois de Saint-Pé, I said, if in the first special I can get the scratch, the best time for all engines grouped together, it would be great, because Sunday there's no event. And so on Monday, on the front page of Equipe, there would be an Alpine ahead of the big Ford Capris and Ferraris. The berlinette is always ahead of the big Ferraris and Ford Capris.
Moi, ça me plaisait doublement parce que il y avait Gérard Larousse. Bon,
I was doubly pleased because Gérard Larousse was there. He'd been with Alpine for quite a
J'ai du
while.
respect pour lui, il en a pour moi, mais ça n'a jamais été particulièrement.
And even though we respected each other, I absolutely wanted to prove that a berlinette could beat his Ford Capri.
Que sa Capri. Et puis en plus, il y avait.
And besides, there was Jean-Claude Androuet, who had a Daytona Ferrari.
Jean-Claude, il est absolument charmant et.
Well, that was the best, because though Claude was very charming usually, he didn't appreciate my being constantly in front of his Ferrari. All around, it was a really good time.
Une immense partie de plaisir.
Faut dire que la berlinette n'était pas.
We should mention that, all the same, the berlinette wasn't suited to being driven on a track because of the famous rear assembly that did not adapt to racing tires very well, not using the entire tire width. So we were handicapped compared to our competitors. The berlinette was designed for mountains, as the name Alpine suggests, so it took a fancy driver like Jean-Luc Terrier to pick the highest cherry over the Daytona Ferraris and 3-liter Ford Capris. Now we're at the Charade track at Clermont-Ferrand. We see that on a pretty wet track, the berlinette is really getting down to business. There I remember I had a breakdown, a problem of fuel flow. The gas filter was stopped up. I had to stop to have the car work done, and unfortunately that was a shame.
Ah, voici Jacques.
There's Jacques, he's rather satisfied. There he is, watching me. At that time, he worked on customer cars. A customer could have the same racing car that we had, but you couldn't do that today. And even then, it wasn't easy. If somebody wanted an identical Porsche or a Ford Capri, it was very difficult. I think we were the only ones to make cars identical to ours commercially available, and the customer got a good deal. The engines were specially adapted by Mr. Dudot, who later designed the Renault Turbo Formula One engines. Jacques encouraged us to sell the cars, but he didn't pay a commission. That's too bad. We could have sold many more cars. I liked seeing him beaten by a customer. It happened now and then, at coastal races, for example. He had fun. He liked being passed by the customers. As a sales point, well, the customer knew that he had been sold a genuine factory car. Now we're at the Bugatti track at Le Mans. You had a cylinder head gasket problem. Yes, but it was stupid. A metal collar had cut the radiator hose. I drove the last lap without water, so unfortunately the gasket gave way and had to be replaced, and on a berlinette that's not so easy. It was a real trial of strength. The mechanics really showed courage. They got a gasket from Dieppe where the engine had been made. And they changed it in 17 minutes. Now that's completely mad. There was no distinction between driver and mechanic. I was pals with all of them. We were together all the time on rallies at the same hotel. We ate together. It made us a united team. I had as much respect for the mechanics as they had for me. I had a belly net come in at the end of a special with all 4 disc brakes red hot, almost melting. The mechanics didn't have asbestos gloves, but all the same, they replaced them with new discs, burning their hands. As for the race, unfortunately, we then saw that the cylinder head gasket was deformed, that all the valve seatings were cracked, and the race was over for me.
L'équipe alpine, ou la bande alpine, comme disaient certains,
in the Alpine team,
c'était plutôt une famille, en
or
fait,
some say the Alpine bunch,
de cloison,
we were like a family. There was no barrier between drivers, mechanics, and team directors.
Tout le monde prenait ses repas à la même table.
We all took our meals at the same table, shared each other's problems, and the mechanics had the same competitive spirit as the drivers. They were fired up by ambition for the World Championship. And when people are motivated by great ambition, well, things really move all on their own. My best memory was back in 71.
C'était notre premier
because it was
triplé à
our
Monte Carlo.
triple in Monte Carlo.
Vraiment la démonstration de la
It really proved the international competitiveness of the belly
En
net.
72, on était dans la même situation.
In 72, we were in the same situation, 3 cars in front.
Malheureusement, notre motoriste
Unfortunately, our engine mechanics,
tellement bien travaillé.
well, they had worked too well on the 1800s,
mais surtout
especially on the coupling.
20 mètres kilos de couple.
There was more than 20 meters per kilogram of torque.
Des boîtes issues encore de la
Our gearboxes were still those equipping the R8 Gordinis, and we broke gears one after another during the final night, 200 kilometers from the finish. All through 1972, we worked on that devilish gearbox, trying to reinforce it. We even removed one gear to allow the others to be wider.
On roulait en rallye avec en fait une boîte 4
In other words, we were driving rallies with only 4 gears, but we were still inside the rules.
Simplement une rondelle.
The 5th gear was just a smooth washer.
Et finalement, en fin d'année,
finally, at the end of the year,
c'était donc Rallye des Cévennes.
It was the Cévennes rally, and it's then that the new gearbox was validated.
Jean-Luc, pour la première sortie du moteur turbo,
won with that first competition using the turbo engine.
Le moteur turbo.
From then on, the turbo engine had an even more impressive torque. I think we had 25 meters to kilo.
Il y avait les à-coups.
And there were the jolts, and finally the gearbox was able to handle the engine power, and it was reliable.
Ça a réellement résolu le problème.
Alors retour sur les pistes
Now back to African roads, the Morocco Rally and 2CV, of course.
Je savais même pas qu'il y avait un concurrent.
How about that? I didn't even know there was a 2CV entered. Well, that's one all right. I hope that he qualified in the event, because with the time limit, that's not so easy.
Tu as un souvenir
Any special memories of Morocco?
Au Maroc, c'est là qu'on a fait des...
Morocco. Now that's where we made plans to cross the Wadi in the dry season
Il faut voir jusqu'à quel stade on
with
peut tenter de
Jean-Pierre
traverser
Nicolas and
la
Bernard
hauteur d'eau d'une
Darniche.
page.
We had to see at what stage we could attempt
Jean-Pierre
crossing,
était pour ça,
given the depth of the water and the current.
absolument téméraire.
Jean-Pierre was really scared
Il m'a
about
dit, moi,
this.
t'inquiète pas,
He said,
je me mets en
don't worry, I'll be wearing
caleçon de bain.
swimming trunks.
Et on est allé voir à pied la hauteur.
Well, we went
qu'il y
on
avait,
foot to inspect how high the water got in the Wadi,
dans l'oued,
and
on
the
a vu
current.
courant, et là, il a dit, je vais essayer.
and he said, I'll try to get
On avait tellement
across.
peur que l'Alpine soit entraînée par le.
We were
le
afraid
courant, parce que
that
là,
the
bon,
current
ça
would take
pouvait
the
être dangereux
Alpine,
pour
which would be
Jean-Pierre.
very dangerous
On
for
lui a mis un
Jean-Pierre.
câble,
So
et
we
on a
attached a
accroché
cable,
le
connected it to 3 Renault 16s,
avec les trois
hitched one to
R16 qui étaient
another,
reliés l'une à l'autre avec
and
aussi
tow
des câbles
cables,
remorques.
and we let him
On a
go.
laissé partir. On s'est dit, s'il est
We said
emporté
if
par
the
le
current
courant,
takes him, we'll back up fast and get Jean-Pierre out.
et en fin de compte,
In the event he
Jean-Pierre a
crossed,
traversé,
and with no
sans
problem at
problème
all.
avec la berlinette.
À partir de 1974, Jacques Chénis.
Jacques, from 1974, the competition schedule for the Berlinette was cut back.
Considérablement restreint.
Oui, malheureusement.
Yes, unfortunately.
parce que le budget alloué par Renault était en large diminution, puisqu'on avait
Renault reduced the allocated budget
de compétitivité.
because we had proven that we could
Et
win.
chez Renault, on avait à mettre commercialement sur
Renault
Renault
wanted to launch
17,
commercially
qui
the
avait
R17,
une version plus ou moins sportive,
and it had a sports
cette
model,
Gordini.
the
Donc,
R17 Gordini.
Nous devions, dans les épreuves très cassantes,
So, in
comme,
grueling
le
events like the
Maroc,
Morocco Rally, we had to use both
avoir
Berlinettes
engagé en
and
même temps
Renault
des Berlinettes
17s.
et des Renault 17. Le Maroc était aussi cassant que
Morocco was as brutal for
Safari,
cars as the African
avec
Safari
l'avantage
Rally.
que, théoriquement, sauf
Theoretically, it had the
Et
advantage of having much less mud,
mais quand les
except for a few
les
shallow
pilotes,
water courses.
marocains nous ont vu arriver
When the
depuis
Moroccan
pour la
drivers
première fois,
first
ils
saw
ont
us
rigolé
arriving in our
doucement en disant,
Berlinettes,
jamais
they started
jamais une
laughing,
Berlinette ne passera
saying,
par
never will a Berlinette make it through
la
Morocco.
première année, je me souviens
The
pas
first
très bien.
year, I don't remember,
Forcément bien passé.
we didn't do too
Mais
well.
l'année suivante, c'était en 74. Là,
But the
on avait
following
fait des
year,
progrès.
in 1974,
Et
we
non
had made
seulement
progress.
On avait nos 3 voitures, mais on
and
avait
we didn't have
emulé,
only our
on
3
avait
cars.
loué.
We had 3 mules that we had rented from those drivers who had made fun of us.
Finalement, on avait dû engager 5 voitures.
Finally,
Les 5
we
voitures
entered
étaient
5
à l'arrivée,
cars, and they all made it to the finish line,
aux premières places. Et puis,
3 of them in front.
enfin, on avait
We had
les 5
5 cars in the first 10,
10 premiers et 10
5
rescapés.
survivors, you could say.
Voilà,
That's Jean-Luc at the wheel of an R17.
Est-ce qu'on peut dire pour vous deux que la berlinette
Would you say that
a
the
représenté
Berlinette was part
les
of
plus
the
belles
best
années de
years
votre
of your
vie?
lives?
En ce qui me concerne,
Well,
on
for
peut
me,
dire
you could
comme
say
ça,
so.
oui.
Yes.
Ouais, moi aussi, forcément.
For me too, no question about
C'est sans
that.
problème.
J'ai vécu aussi une autre carrière.
I had a
aussi
subsequent
exaltante,
career,
chez Renault.
A marvelous career at
Et,
Renault,
cette ambiance de
but that atmosphere of
de
comradeship,
camaraderie, de proximité,
of working together,
d'efforts,
of going to the limit,
jusqu'aux limites, mais aussi de
and also
de bonheur,
the pleasure of sharing.
partagé,
It's during those years that we lived it. Above all, the Berlinette represents a human adventure.
Moi, c'est tous les meilleurs souvenirs que...
For me, all the happy memories I could hope for are linked to the
Et
Berlinette.
puis surtout aussi...
Later,
j'ai eu la chance après
I was
que-
lucky enough to drive a number of fine cars
Malheureusement,
because
il y a-
unfortunately
il y a
the days of the Alpine
Mais,
were over.
c'est-
But
c'était
that
le côté,
atmosphere, that feeling of
côté ambiance,
family,
famille et
I
tout
never
ça,
found
je
it
l'ai retrouvé
anywhere
nulle part.
else.